Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I want to discuss on these topics. First one will be latest date of joinings, and then many of you are asking queries regarding the location change. So I'll try to discuss them in this video. Firstly, date of joining. So recently Accenture sent date of joining mails to the students. So one date of joining was 8th August 2023. And most of the students got 24th August 2023 as date of joining. Once students who gave interviews and whose tasks are verified, do check your mails. Majority of our students got 24th August 2023 as date of joining, but there are some people who got 8th August also. I think these are the two joinings in August, and in case if there are any other dates, kindly let me know in the comment section or in Telegram group. And Accenture first sent survey mails regarding the confirmation of your availability on these dates, and later they sent these joining mails. And be aware of fake mails. You will get the date of joining from this mail, onboarding.doc.asc, and the subject line will be like this: care up for day one at Accenture. So carefully check subject and from where you are getting that mail. And in case if you haven't still received the mail, please wait for it. Not all the people will get the joining mails at a time. Mostly people who gave interviews in June and then July starting and submitted tasks and verified successfully got date of joining. And again I am saying, not all people will get DOJ at a time. So in case if your tasks are successfully verified, please wait. Every time onboardings will be happening in phased manner. So you might get your onboarding in next phase, that is in future dates. And we can see that in August itself they released 2 slots, 8th and 24th, and if there are any other dates, let me know. So then next slots might be in September, October, like that. And I told about my experience in many videos. Our onboarding started in July 2022 and it went on till January 2023 in phased manner. So hope you understand how they will onboard. So kindly wait if till you haven't got DOJ. And then recently many students who got their date of joining are asking me regarding the location change. Many of you are saying that we didn't got preferred locations. We gave 3 locations but they gave us another location. So basically it will be depending on the vacancies and then business requirement, guys. They will consider various business demands and projects, and if there are any vacancies, then only they will give the preferred location. Firstly they will try to give the location 1, if not then location 2, if not then location 3. In case if there aren't any possibilities in these 3 locations, then they will give other location which is suitable for their business demands and then vacancies. So now many of you are asking how to request the location change. It's simple, guys. Kindly send a mail to them. The mail which you have received date of joining, that is onboarding.doc.asc. This one you will be getting your date of joining mail now, gear up for day one at Accenture. So you can simply reply back to that mail. And while replying to that mail, don't change the subject line, guys. I think you can see in that mail itself, they will tell not to change the subject line while replying. So keep the subject line as it is and simply click on the reply and give the reply to that mail. So why you want to change the location? Explain them the valid reason, guys. So don't give very silly reasons. Truly, if you have a problem with the given location, then kindly request them stating the problem that you have. And then the decision will be depending on them only. They may or may not change your location. If there are any requirements or vacancies with the location that is proposed by you, then they might accept your proposal. Otherwise you have to continue with the location given only. So after you join the company, after few months you can change the location again. So in case if they didn't approve, kindly try to go to the location, because getting date of joining itself is the difficult thing, but you made it. So try to move to the location, but in case if there is a serious problem, then try to explain them. That's it for this video, guys. Hope I have clarified some of your doubts. Still, if you have any doubts, please join in the Telegram channel and discuss over there, or you can ask in the comments. And I am giving my mail ID also. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more updates and do like the video and share the video.